Hello everybody! In today's video I will show you how you can analyze dumps or gateway errors or other errors with the ABAP Development Tools, short ADT, and with the help of the feed reader. So I have created a short program here to simulate a dump. I display here a value from a field symbol which is not assigned in this code. And here we see our ABAP, and the short text field symbol has not been assigned yet. So in Eclipse we don't have the option to use the transaction SD22. So we need another way, and for this we click here on Window, then Show View, then Others, and then we click on Feed Reader. We add this, and then we see here the different systems with the systems which have been logged in. So we see my user, we see the runtime errors, and we see two errors here, but not the last error. For this we have to click right mouse click, and we have to refresh the view. So this is our dump, which we have simulated, and we see here the information, date, time, the user, and the information what happened. So we can scroll down to the code snippet, and if we click here on this line, we jump directly into our program and to the line of code where the error happens. So we can now clear this error, and we format this code with the help of the ABAP Cleaner. If you want to know how to install this add-on, click on this video here. We see now the program works. And now let's check what we can do on this feed reader. We can set another feed query, for example the SAP Gateway error log. You can set here the refresh interval. That means how often looks Eclipse in the SAP backend for errors. We can set filters, packages, and users. And now we see here the SAP Gateway error log. We can also add this feed with edit feed. We can change, for example, the username. So let's try this. We change the user from developer to user1. We can apply some filters. For example, here user1, or we can also search for users. So let's clear this field and click on the button Browse, and we see these are the available users on my test system. And we can pick here the user1. Then we can click on Finish, and we see now we have edited this runtime error feed. What can we do too? So we can, I've already showed you the edit. We can add a query, so another ABAP runtime error query for the user developer. So let's then click on Finish, and now we see the entry for the user developer and for the user1. So that's a pretty nice feature to work with short dumps in Eclipse. And yes, that was it already with my short video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Write me something in the comments. I'm always happy to read from you. All the best, and see you soon.